Welcome to the art project. Today I'm going to show you how I put a pocket in the back of my sketchbooks. Right here you see a red pocket that's handy for holding things like stickers or whatever. And I'm going to show you how I put mine in my sketchbook. So again, welcome back to the art project, and if you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. I'm going to have lots and lots of videos coming out, and so just keep on watching. So you're probably familiar with a Moleskine. This book right here is a Moleskine, and you see how it comes with a nice little pocket in the back for hanging on to some of your stuff. I keep all kinds of things in these pockets, like photographs, reference photos, photos of family and friends. Sometimes I keep a 6-inch ruler in the back of it. Here's a playing card that I made a pocket for, which I'll show you what I use the playing card for in another video. But I just, whatever you can get into the pocket, it comes in handy. So those two are Moleskines. These two are sketchbooks that I bought that did not have pockets in the back of them. And so I made my own, and complete with little pleated kind of accordion style, so that you can open the pocket and put stuff in it without tearing it. Here's another sketchbook that I made, and in the back of it, it also has a pocket that I put in the back. I didn't make the sketchbook, I made this pocket, and again, it's pleated, a little accordion style, so that I can get lots of stuff in it. So I'm going to put everything back in here and we'll get started. I went ahead and made some templates for my whole class so that my students can all make a pocket in the back of their sketchbook. I usually recommend to my students that they get a 5.5 by 8.5 sketchbook, so we're all kind of in the same business, and I can stack them up and they're not falling all over the place. So I measured my sketchbook and I made the template just a little bit smaller than the back. Like I said, the sketchbook is 5.5 by 8.5, so I made the template from this notch to the other notch about 8.25 or so. And then on this tab and this tab, I pleated it, so I've made a couple of marks that I then fold, and I'll show you here. I use a ballpoint pen when I do this, so I can press down real hard and kind of create an indent that makes it easier to fold. You'll see that in just a moment. I trace the outside of my template, and then I trace the folds where the folds are going to be. And then when I trace these, I trace them really hard so there's an indent so that it'll easily fold. I also put kind of a U-shape opening here, which I did in pencil, and I'm going to cut out with the X-Acto knife. Cut the whole pocket out with the X-Acto knife. And then I've already pressed real hard, so when I fold, it folds super easy. And I'm folding it accordion style, so that it will, kind of stretch when I try to open it. Now the first thing I'm going to do is glue the bottom tab. I put a little bit of glue on the bottom, and then I spread it from edge to edge, side to side, corner to corner. And then if I have too much glue on there, I'll just blot it on a piece of scrap paper. That usually leaves enough glue to do the job. Press that down, clean it up real good. Take a damp cloth and wipe up any extra glue, because you don't want your pocket to get stuck. And then I'll glue the sides. Same thing here. I put a little bit of glue on the edges and spread it. You don't want to get it all over the accordion. You only want to get it on the part that's going to glue down, because like I said, you don't want your pocket to be stuck. So the very end accordion pleat. Fold it over again, and starting at the bottom, and you fold it under and you push it down real good. Now that's how I make my pocket. It's as simple as that, and then you can put pretty much anything in it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please share my video on any social media that you have or websites. See you later.